Accidentally.
कितना टाइम लगेगा? हेलो, वेलकम बैक एवरीवन टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल आकर्षिता वाइब्स। और आज आप सोच रहे होंगे कि व्लॉग की शुरुआत ट्रेन से क्यों हो रही है, बिकॉज आई एम ट्रैवलिंग टू सम न्यू प्लेस एंड यू नो दिस टाइम आई एम एक्चुअली स्टेपिंग आउट फ्रॉम माई जोन एरिया. लाइक माई जोन एरिया इज Ernakulam, Thrissur. So these are the common areas where I usually go. And once I have reached over here, I already saw my friend. I hope you all are aware of Mridula already. Currently, we are at Varkala Shivagiri. Okay, I was not aware that Shivagiri is the place. हम लोग आ चुके हैं वर्कला में और मेरे साथ है मृदुला. So we are waiting for Aparna for last 45 minutes. And now she is here. Let's. Yes. Okay, so some of you might not be aware of our story. Actually, I am from Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. I am a North Indian, and my friends are from Kerala. And we three met in Ernakulam while I was working in Info Park, and we were actually the flatmates. So in Ernakulam while I was working, so I chose to live with Malayalis only because that is what I wanted to try a different experience of learning new things. So Mridula is from LAP and Aparna is from Calicut. For Aparna to catch her up, and I don't know where is she. Where were you? We finally got her, guys. अच्छा, हम तीनों ना डिफरेंट लोकेशन से आ रहे हैं. तो मैं आ रही हूँ त्रिशूर से, मृदुला आ रही है चंगनाशेरी से, और अपर्णा गई थी अपने ऑफिस विजिट के लिए त्रिवेंद्रम में, इसलिए वो त्रिवेंद्रम से आ रही है. इसलिए हम तीनों ने डिसाइड किया था कि हम लोग वर्कला शिवगिरी रेलवे स्टेशन पे मिलेंगे. बट इवेंचुअली ना हम तीनों की ट्रेन डिफरेंट टाइम पे मिली, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी बिकम लेट. ग्लिम्स ऑफ वर्कला. You can see our condition. Where we have to go? Don't know. We don't know where we have to go.
Come on, let's go.
Our planner is Aparna. What did I hit? अच्छा, तो मैं ना आपको ट्रिप की कुछ रियलिटीज़ दिखाती हूँ. सबसे पहले हमने जो होटल बुक किया था वो ये था, ये होटल जो हमें पसंद नहीं आया. उसके बाद हम और भी होटल्स को एक्सप्लोर करने गए. We are going to check some more rooms. We found this place. The one which we booked, we didn't like it because it was quite pricey. We are checking the price. So we have booked this one. This is, as per the pocket, it is matching. So Aparna is doing the payment and we are the secretaries waiting for her. Aparna ma'am does all the monetary things. We does all the eating things. And we take care of Aparna's bags, Aparna's things. See how much hard work. She was carrying this big bag. I was carrying her other purse which was having money. See, that's how she is getting gym training. I'm also carrying. That's what we are doing, this much of hard work to go on a trip with Aparna ma'am. But yeah, this resort is quite better because the one which we have booked before, it was around 5,000 something, and inside it was good. The other one was good, but there were no, you can say, like, she's changing the look. Okay, appreciate her look, give good comments about her, only good comments. So so the thing is, we found another one, but it was inside, it was really good, but the thing was, like, it was so much inside, it was not giving a vibe. This place is giving a vibe, and this is, we will tell you the price later. Okay,
And also walkable distance. So
walkable distance. There is the cliff. We are here. Ma'am is not here yet. We are still carrying the things. I'm so tired of carrying a big bag.
Use money wisely, guys.
She came to her real look. अच्छा, किसी भी गर्ल्स ट्रिप का हाईलाइट होता है कि वो सबसे पहले तैयार हो जाती हैं इंस्टाग्राम के लिए. सो वी आर स्टिल गेटिंग रेडी एंड just entered in Varkala, and hopefully we all are getting ready, but you can see the condition of the room and everyone is getting ready. अच्छा, ये जो लोकेशन हमने चूज़ की है ना, इस वाली लोकेशन पे सिर्फ या तो फैमिलीज अलाउड हैं या फिर विमेंस अलाउड हैं जो कि ड्रिंकिंग वगैरह नहीं करती हैं, तो हम तीनों उसी कैटेगरी में फॉल करते हैं. So now we are ready. We are hungry also, but still girls are getting ready. So I got ready first. So I just came to this place to explore in Varkala. अच्छा, मलयालम में ना स्विंग को उन्नाल बोलते हैं. सॉरी उंजाल, नो उन्नाल. सी थोड़ा सा मेरी प्रोनाउंसिएशन में डिफरेंस है, लेकिन प्लीज़ इतनी भी गलत नहीं है. आप मुझे करेक्ट करके बताइएगा कि कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं. बट हाँ, आई थिंक वर्ड इज़ राइट. स्विंगिंग एंड मेकिंग दिस वीडियो. Our previous experiences, we are locking the door well now. So that we are not repeating the same mistake. Going to find a beach and now it's sunny. We have already seen the beach from the top, but just to go inside, yeah, just to touch it, we are going in this way. Let's go. अच्छा, वैसे केरला में अभी रेनी सीजन है, बट यू नो इट्स सुपर हॉट ऑल्सो बिकॉज यू कैन सी लाइक द सन इज देयर एंड वी आर यूजिंग अम्ब्रेलाज. एंड व्हेन वी लैंडेड अप ओवर हियर वी गॉट टू नो दैट वी कैन नॉट एंटर इन द सी, सो वी जस्ट केम टू अ प्लेस वेयर वी कैन सिट एंड एंजॉय द वाइब ऑफ दिस लोकेशन.
It happened accidentally.
कितना टाइम लगेगा? I just got to know that Mridula is able to speak in Hindi, so she will speak in Hindi. Speak something, Mridula. What and all did you say to? She's watching lot of toxic Hindi serials, and that's how she's old Hindi serials. I never watched serials. She knows better Hindi than me, but she didn't learn that in school. Okay, she learned in Hindi serials. So if you are also planning to go to Varkala after seeing this video, no, so please stop, because you can see over here the government has put barricades. Those you can see like barricades are not really strong, but the people over here who are like taking care of this location are really very, like you can say like strict, because they were not allowing anyone to go inside. ये हमारे साथ थोड़ा सा मिशैप हो गया, बिकॉज आप देख ही सकते हो कि हम यहाँ तक कितनी दूर आए हैं, लेकिन हम पता है पानी को छू भी नहीं सकते. तो मुझे थोड़ा सा बुरा लगा, बिकॉज आई प्लान टू टेक शावर ओवर हेयर, बट दैट डिडंट हैपन. सो इट्स ओके, इट हैपन्स. पर मैं आपको पहले से ही बता देती हूँ कि रेनी सीजन में ना अगर आप बीच साइड जाने का प्लान कर रहे हो, सो यू हैव टू कैंसिल दैट प्लान, अदरवाइज यू विल बी ऑल्सो सिटिंग लाइक अस एंड एंजॉइंग द वाइब. बट दो वी enjoyed a lot, because you can see like we three are there and we three talk a lot and we enjoyed a lot. अच्छा, कॉपीराइट इशू की वजह से ना मुझे ये ऑडियो थोड़ी सी स्टॉप करनी पड़ी, लेकिन हम एक्चुअल में जो सॉन्ग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं उसका नाम है कश्मीर में तू कन्याकुमारी, नॉर्थ साउथ की मिट गई देखो दूरी ही सारी. सो दिस इज़ द सॉन्ग विच इज़ एक्चुअली प्लेइंग. अच्छा, मेरी सिंगिंग बहुत ही बुरी है, इसलिए मैं ट्राई भी नहीं कर रही हूँ आपको सुनाने का, पर ये ना सॉन्ग एक्चुअल में चल रहा है यहाँ पे, और हम तीनों ने रैंडमली लाइक कैमरा ऑन था और स्टार्ट कर दिया कि हम लोग इस पे एक वीडियो बनाते हैं. और एक्चुअली ये वीडियो थोड़ी अच्छी रही, क्योंकि हमारा एक बड़ा प्यारा सा एक्सपीरियंस हो गया. हम तीनों ने एक दूसरे को नॉर्थ साउथ की मिट गई देखो दूरी सारी वाले सॉन्ग पे बड़ा अच्छा सा मतलब आप कह सकते हो ये डांस किया, लेकिन एक्चुअल में हमने एंजॉय किया है. और मेरी जो दोनों फ्रेंड्स हैं उनको ये सॉन्ग नहीं आता है, बट दे आर जस्ट फॉलोइंग द स्टेप्स विच आई एम टेलिंग देम टू डू सो. सो दैट इज़ द ब्यूटी ऑफ having the friends from different location. Though you don't understand the language, you don't understand might be the culture very well, but you end up enjoying with each other. This is the beauty of diversity are loving right now. And we just came over here after enjoying a lot. So now you can see like the weather is also changing, and now we are at a cafe, and this cafe is actually located nearby almost the ocean, and you can get the ocean view also. But the thing is right now government have restricted some of the things, so they didn't allow us to go much near. So it's okay also, because that is for the safety reasons. मुझे ना वर्कला comparatively थोड़ा सा costly लगा. मैं आपको bills भी share करूँगी.
Ashi, what are you doing?
Some costly water I'm putting in.
How are you
This water
liking the
costed
ambience?
100 rupees. So actually this is the reality of not only in a cafe, actually wherever you go in Varkala, the basic to basic tea starts from 50 rupees. So Varkala is quite expensive as per my experience. So if you are having lot of money to spend in food and all, then you should go for sure. Seafood and all is also there, but I am a vegetarian, so I don't eat all that. But my friends have enjoyed that a lot, but it was quite expensive. I am going to show you the bill, so you will be also shocked. But I heard like that kind of food is quite expensive also. But I think comparatively based on Varkala's experience, this place price and everything was better, because you know everywhere in Varkala it is quite expensive. Let me show you the bill first. This is the basic thing which we ordered, and the bill was 557. We just ordered one kind of pasta and one peach tea, so I think for that this was reasonable. And the location also is really good, no? So I think this is okay for you to spend a bit during your holiday season. And now it's the evening time, and we girls are getting ready to go out in the beach. So sunset is going to happen, so for that we all got ready, though we are very tired.
Take this card.
वी हैव गॉट रेडी अनदर टाइम, क्योंकि मेरी फ्रेंड्स ने डिसाइड किया था हम अलग अलग लुक रखेंगे, इसलिए मैं भी रेडी हो गई हूँ. इट्स द इवनिंग टाइम एंड वी आर गोइंग टू टेक अ सनसेट. वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ लुक ऑन सनसेट. सोच रहे होंगे कि मैंने मृदुला की बात क्यों नहीं सुनी, क्योंकि वहाँ पे कुछ था, आई थिंक मुझे भी अब याद नहीं है कि एग्जैक्टली क्या था, जिसकी वजह से मेरा थोड़ा फोकस बिगड़ गया. बट एनीवे नाउ वी आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द बीच. और आप देख सकते हो कि बीच पे जाने का रास्ता कैसा है. अच्छा, इंस्टाग्राम ना आपको ये वाली रियलिटी नहीं दिखाता है जो मेरे ब्लॉग पे आपको देखने को मिलेगी. अभी तो फिर भी ठीक है, लेकिन आपको पता है जब रेनी सीजन हो और आपको यहाँ पे वॉक करना पड़ जाए, माय गॉड, इट्स रियली गोइंग टू बी वेरी स्कैरी, बिकॉज दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टेयर्स आर वेरी कॉमन. बट eventually we just landed up to see the sunset, and this location is superb to enjoy the sunset.
Let's take a selfie.
We are bitching about others because we don't know what to do over here, because everyone is busy in clicking photographs, and we are thinking how to click a photo, because we are very lame in deciding the poses, and that's what we are not aware of. We got ready today, so we also tried to make a fit check.
Show my eyes. It's reflecting.
She tried something new on her eye. Even my eyes, we have tried something. Whether it's
So
looking or not,
Comment.
yeah, if it's not working, please do let us know, because experiment with my eyes always go wrong, but I tried it. Let's see. Those people who are watching my channel for so long, so they might be aware that I usually do not experiment with myself with such kind of looks, but this time I actually tried, because you know I had friends who were like always motivating me to just try different looks, so I tried experimenting with myself. So do let me know if whether you like that. We are waiting for someone to click our photos, but there is no one to help us. The same way from where we came from, and in Varkala most of the places like on Varkala Cliff, no, you will find such kind of shortcuts from where you can come like that. और अब आप देख सकते हो कि हमारे पास करने को कुछ भी नहीं है, क्योंकि ना अगर या तो आप ड्रिंकिंग करते हो या पार्टी पर्सन हो, तो आपके लिए ये जगह परफेक्ट है. और आई थिंक बेटर आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ आ रहे हो ना, तो ही आप इस जगह को एंजॉय कर सकते हो. दैट इज़ माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज आई वॉज सीइंग दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हु आर कमिंग विद देयर फ्रेंड्स, like boys with a boy group, girls with a girls group. So this was quite enjoyable for them, but we three had nothing to do, so we just started sitting and like gossiping. So you know, it's not like gossiping, but we do comment about others whoever we see. So it's not, I think, a bad thing, because with friends this is okay, and I think all of the friends would do similar thing which we are doing. So do comment and let me know what you do with your friends, and where do you prefer to go with your friends to such kind of vacation. So that's why we do plan such kind of vacation, so that we can have such relaxed time, and we can just talk and talk and talk. You know, the like best part of this vacation is for 24 hours we were only speaking. So the vibe of Varkala is more over like Goa only, because here people are coming and vibing on the beach. You can click a lot of photographs. Now I think there are going to be some kind of, hey, I saw a lot of Instagram videos where people are dancing and enjoy. Is this the area? Oh, that's a clubs. Oh. So we are just roaming. I'm feeling quite hungry. Let's go and eat something. Every time you will see our vlog, we will ask like, let's go and eat something, let's go and eat something. Since morning we are doing this only. Let's go and eat something. As now we are going to the cliff, you can see like how much scary is this way. So it was not really easy to walk from here. Hopefully, if you would have seen Varkala in Instagram, then you would have also seen such kind of views. But let me show you the reality. This is the reality that the way is not very big to walk, and there will be lot of people with whom you have to like wait and let them go. Then only you can walk. We are so tired. We are just exploring this entire way. There are lot of shops and the clubs. I don't know how I'm getting this. And there is the beach. People were actually smoking, so I started coughing. Anyway, now we reached to a place where we are having dinner. I do prefer this kind of live performances because I like the vibe of the place when someone sings, no? So the entire surroundings become so much good, right? So I do like such kind of things. So अगर आपको भी पसंद है इस टाइप के लाइव शोज सुनना तो मुझे कमेंट करके बताइएगा. अच्छा, यहाँ पे जो सिंगर्स है ना वो पूछ रहे थे कि कौन कौन तमिलनाडु से है, कौन केरला से है, तो वो उनकी प्रेफरेंसेस के हिसाब से सॉन्ग चूज़ कर रहे थे. बट मेरी प्रेफरेंस थी उनके लिए कि आप मलयालम या तमिल सॉन्ग्स ही प्ले कीजिए, बिकॉज नाउ आफ्टर लिविंग इन केरला फॉर दिस मैनी ईयर्स आई स्टार्टेड एंजॉइंग सच सॉन्ग्स. और आप यहाँ का हमारा बिल देख सकते हो, 940 रुपीज़ फॉर जस्ट द बेसिक थिंग्स. तो आप समझ ही सकते हो कि कितना एक्सपेंसिव है. बट आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग यू ऑल दिस सो दैट यू कैन हैव अ आइडिया व्हाइल यू आर प्लानिंग टू गो टू वर्कला. यू शुड बी अवेयर दैट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपेंसेस विल बी देयर टू डील विद. और आपको जब भी वर्कला जाना हो आप मुझे प्लीज़ कमेंट करके थैंक यू ज़रूर बोलिएगा अगर मेरी वीडियो में से आपको कुछ भी इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली हो तो. अब हम वापस आ चुके हैं अपनी रिजॉर्ट पे, प्लेस पे जहाँ पे हम स्टे कर रहे हैं, और अब हम जाते हैं. तो आपसे कल मिलते हैं. बाय, गुड नाइट.